Hey crafty people, it's Tasha and I'm back with another video tutorial for WOW embossing powder. Today I'm creating a vibrant rainbow using some of our newest sparkles. I'll be sure to stick around because we're going to be announcing a giveaway later on in this video. So for today's card I'm using these two glasses dies from this fun scrapbook.com set and both the upper and lowercase Be Bold alphabet from Spellbinders. I've done all of my die cutting off screen, so I've got foam letters for my custom sentiment and lots of the glasses that I cut from cardstock with double-sided adhesive on it. Now, don't chuck away the negative heart die cuts because we're going to make use of those later. Now for the sparkles. So we've got fire red, golden orange, dark gold, lime green, stratosphere and rose, and I think that these make a beautiful rainbow. So our sparkles aren't actually available within the EU due to restrictions on glitter sales, but we have got a fabulous range of earth sparkles which are biodegradable. Those are available everywhere, and here's an example of the gorgeous rainbow that you can make out of the earth sparkles colours. I'll have all of the colours listed below. I want to have my glasses arranged in stripes across a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch panel of Nina Solar White £80. I want each stripe to be a different colour and I want to have them alternating between the two different styles. Now that I've got it planned out, I can start the sparkles process. I find that a decent pair of needle nose tweezers works perfectly to peel back the release tape, and then you can absolutely pour the glitter over the die cut onto some scrap paper and funnel the excess back into the jar. But with these smaller pieces, I just like to dunk it directly into the jar. So I'm using my tweezers to keep hold of it and then dunk them in, flip them and dunk the other half. As always, I am burnishing that glitter into the adhesive for a smooth finish without any fallout. When I was die cutting, I accidentally had one of the glasses cut off the edge of the adhesive area, so you can see there's a bit of white there. Now, instead of cutting another, I'm just going to use a quickie glue pen to cover that area. So this is an adhesive pen, and the adhesive will dry tacky, so it's going to cover up that cheeky gap. Now it seems as good a time as any for the giveaway details. So we are offering all 6 of the sparkles colours that I'm using to make my rainbow today. Just make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, then like the video and drop us a comment with your favourite colour. Please share this video with your crafty friends, and if you do, be sure to add extra comments for more entries. Comments will close on June the 13th at 6 PM UK time. Good luck! I'm loving how those colours are looking so far, and with the magic of video editing, we've got our rainbow spectacles. I'm repeating that process now for those hearts that I mentioned earlier, so there's no way that I'm going to let those go to waste. So I opted to cover some of them with our Prism Gold and Prism Silver, which are from the Earth Sparkles range. They are also both new and I am obsessed with them. I'll set those aside for another crafty session, and then I made a rainbow out of the other hearts, so we'll make a really simple card with those two later. Okay, let's get this pattern mapped out. I always like to do a kind of dress rehearsal first without the glue so that I can really nail down that placement. Okay, I have to be honest, I'm always one looking to work smarter, not harder. So I'm only using 2 of each pair of glasses to build my stripe. I want them to be kind of offset, and that's going to leave some gaps on either side of the panel. But rather than cutting additional pairs of glasses, I'm just going to adhere these down and then trim the overhang and transplant them to fill the gap on the other side. I always like to have my images going off the edge of the page anyway, because I think it makes it look so much more natural. It makes it look like it's cut from a larger pattern. When it comes to gluing, I've recently got the glue press, and it did take me a little bit of getting used to, but now I'm used to it. I love it. Unfortunately, the footage of me adding the sentiment got corrupted, but I'd already cut the letters from more Nina cardstock that I'd got on some double-sided adhesive foam. And I am an absolute sucker for a pun. And let me tell you, I was so proud when I came up with this sentiment. Hey, good looking, you know, because the glasses. I appreciated it anyway. I adhered the sentiment straight onto a piece of vellum to help it stand out against all of that colour. Here's how I used those rainbow hearts as well. So simple, and I've got the step-by-step tutorial for that up on my coordinating blog post, which is linked below. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful rainbow of sparkles, and you'll find daily Pride content throughout June on my own personal channel, blog and socials. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and thank you to WOW for sponsoring this little rainbow I'm extending to my community. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.